The American Standard Mitsubishi Electric Konnect series has arrived. A ceiling cassette-style air conditioning unit featuring high design and ultimate performance. Our slim, compact, one-way ceiling cassette ensures easy installation and enhances your environment. Designed to be practical and energy efficient, the unit brings comfort and beauty to complement your lifestyle in any room or interior. An auto-vane control feature provides an intermittent up and down motion to deliver comfort evenly to a room with high ceilings, such as a living room. It can also aerate a large space evenly as the outlet vanes move left to right. When heating, our one-way ceiling cassette delivers warm, comfortable air to the whole room. With just the push of a button, the easy-to-use remote control features a weekly schedule timer for use for everyday life. This feature helps desired temperatures and operation to be set easily to match lifestyle patterns. You can also be equipped with an optional Wi-Fi device inside for maximum connectivity. The Konnect series one-way ceiling cassette ensures easy installation. The units are slim and designed at 7.3 inches in height. At 16 inches in width, the unit is designed to fit perfectly within standard residential construction. There is no need for large-scale retrofitting, such as cutting the beam. The unit will ensure you an easy installation. Our one-way ceiling cassette utilizes flexible drain parts. Joint connection can be easily done with no required insulation work around the flare. The insulation-free cover collects condensation into the drain pan. Notches are provided for use for high thermal insulation pipes, resulting in improved workability. In addition, the built-in drain lift-up mechanism supports drain lifting up to 19.7 inches in height from the bottom of the main unit. All these features help to realize an easy installation. The highly workable and easily installable Konnect series ceiling cassette will create a beautiful and comfortable atmosphere with a streamlined design and high functionality. Visit us online at AmericanStandardAir.com to learn more. American Standard Mitsubishi Electric. Make yourself comfortable.